Hello guys, in this tutorial we shall be talking about Java programming language. I hope you enjoy it. Java program, and these are the tutorial outline. What is Java programming language? Java programming language is simply a high-level programming language that was developed by James Gosling team at Sun Microsystem. Yes, and the things you can do with Java according to the second point. The things you can do with Java programming language, you can use it to develop softwares that are running on mobile devices, desktop, computers, and server. And the things that you need in learning Java programming language is your system and the software, the necessary software that are needed. These are the necessary software that are needed. The Java 1.8 and NetBeans 8.2. I recommend this because of the compatibility between them. And the versions of Java, there are 3 different versions of Java which are used for 3 different things. They are the JSC, which are the Java Standard Edition, and the Java Enterprise Edition, and the Java Micro Edition. And there are some key terminologies which are majorly used in Java coding, in Java programming, and these are the terminologies we shall be looking at in this tutorial. The method, the semicolon, the block, the comment, which shall be explained in our first Java program. And for you to install the necessary software, which are the Java and the NetBeans, you can go to Google to download it. For the NetBeans, this is the address, you can download it, and for the Java, this is the address, you can download them. You can go through Google, and it's available at Oracle, the author, the organization that's built Java programming language. Now let's move on to our NetBeans. Mine is already downloaded and installed, so we don't need to download it again. So now we need to create the project and the Java program. Now let's move on. In order to create the project, do the following. You can either come here, new project, or you can go through the file. I go through the file, then you select Java. That's actually what we are working with, and Java application. Under the project, you click next. So here you can leave the name as it is, but we are going to give it our own name, our first Java program. Then you click finish. Then this is what it's created. Now we need to move on to there's something you need to take note of. Our first Java program is the name of the public class, and it's necessary that it must also be the name that the Java project itself, the Java program, must be saved with. And look at where my mouse is, you can see it's the same name. This is easy because it has been built inside this NetBeans. So let's move on. The terminologies, as said earlier, the method in a Java program is where the execution of Java program begins, and this is where the method is. This is the method, and this, what I'm typing now, is the comment. This is how to give comments to a Java program. This is the method line where execution begins. And concerning the semicolon and the block, when you are coding, there are some, when you reach a statement, you need to put a semicolon to end the statement. If not, there will be error. And for the block, the blocks are where you can see the open braces and the closing braces. This is a block. Whatever that is, anytime you see a braces, it's an indication of a block. And class, this is a class. This is telling us that it is a public class, and so on. We've talked about saving a Java program. Then let's move on. This Java program is going to be a simple program that's just going to display "Welcome to Java" to the screen or to the console. Now let's write this system.out, that is system.out welcome to Java. You can see this is the semicolon I was talking about. And that is all. We can now run our program by pressing shift on the keyboard plus F6, and as you can see, what we have written that it should display has been displayed on the console. You can also do this if you don't want it to display on the console but you want it to pop up as a new window. You can do this. What I'm typing right now, J option pane.show message, then dialog, null, then is underlined. It is because the package where J option belongs to has not been defined. Then to call the package in this program, you do the following: swing.j option, and as soon as you do that, if it has been done correctly, the J option will no longer show the error again. And as you can see, now if we run this program now, instead of the welcome to Java to display on the console, it will pop up a new window and it will be displayed. Now let's run it. Shift F6 to run it. Can you see? Thank you. Now let's move on to creating a problem and program it, and write a program for the problem we shall be creating now. Now let's move on to the last topic. Let us create a problem and write a program with Java for the problem. Now let's go to the left panel, do the following: create new Java class, Now the program we want to write is going to guess a particular amount of money. So guess amount of money withdrawn. Okay, finish. In this program we shall be needing two Java package, and this is how to input any Java package. We shall be need this is the second package I will need in this tutorial. Don't mind this error. The method then this system scanner input. This is going to allow us to input a value into the program. System.in, and it with semicolon as explained earlier. Then the next thing is we want to put in some set of numbers that is going to be displayed and be asked as a question if a particular digit is in this set of numbers. Set 4. Then want to declare a variable. This int here stands for the integer, and this digit is the name of the variable we want to define, meaning that this digit is an integer, a number. We all know what integer is. An integer is a number that is not a fraction. Then int answer show confirm Now the question will be asked in this format. is the first digit of the amount you withdraw in set 1 question mark. Now we put a conditional statement that if answer, that is if the answer is equals to this, the option A dot yes underscore option, then let it say digit is equals to 1. Now adding a comment, this digit is the same thing as digit plus 1. So we are going to repeat this line 4 times. Sorry, this is the reason why it's string mistake, because set 1 is not a string, is a set of values that has been defined earlier. Then copy this, place it 4 times, because the question is going to be asked 4 times. 1, 2, 3, then change this to set 2. That is, at that point is going to display the set of numbers in string set 2, set 3, then set 4. The reason why it's showing this here is because int answer has been defined already, so there's no need of putting int again, which is integer. As you can see, the error has disappeared. Now we need to add the last line of code that will display the answer to the screen. Show message dialog no. Now we need to define now the amount you withdraw is, then space digit, and that is all about the program. One thing you have to know about Java programming language is that when it's being executed, when a Java project is being executed, it executes stepwisely, sequentially. It starts from the top, then move gradually to the last end of the program. So what I'm trying to say here is that at this point, digit is equals to 0. When the execution goes down to this point, note I said this is also the same thing as this, so meaning just check out the comments now, which means when you get to this place, digit will now be equals to digit, which is 0 initially, 0 plus 1, which means the new value of digit here is going to be 0. And when it get to this place, this digit value here will be 1, which is coming from this place, then which means the new digit value here will not be 2. So now, and so on. So now let's run our program. Don't forget, this J option is used to display, to make sure whatever that is inside this parenthesis is displayed to the as a new window. That's the function of this J option pane. Then let's run our program by pressing Shift plus F6 on the keyboard, as you can see. So now let's assume I withdraw 5,000 naira, and you run this program. You want to know how much I withdraw without me saying it out. So you just need to ask me this set of questions: that is the first digit of the amount I withdraw in set 1. Let me assume I withdraw 5,000, but I did not tell you. Then my answer to you now will be yes. You click yes. Is the amount first digit of the amount I withdraw in set 2? Sorry, that's supposed to be set 2. My answer would be no. Then you click no. If it is in set 3, my answer would be yes. Then you click yes. If it is set 4, my answer would be no. You click no. And at the end, wow, that is a mistake. Let's check what the mistake is. Sorry, is a minor error. Set 2, then set 3, then set 4. So now let's rerun our program. Now let's assume that I have close to 12,000 in my account, and you want to know how much I withdraw, assuming that what I'm going to withdraw will be in thousands. You want to know how much thousands I withdraw. Then let's run the program, and let's assume I withdraw 5,000, but I did not tell you. So you asking me this question: is the first digit of the amount I withdraw in set 1, which is 5,000, the first digit is 5? When I answered yes, you click yes. Now is 5 in set 2? I click no. Is in set 3? Yes. In set 4? No. And as you can see, sorry, it's also wrong. It's not supposed to display this. Yes, I know where the mistake is, because we copied this 3 times, so it assumed the same value. So you change this place to 3 to 2. If you want to know how these numbers are being formed, I will put in my email, then you can contact me. This is 8. Then let's run it. Shift F6. 5 is I withdraw 5,000. Then is the first digit in this? Yes. Is in this? No. Is in this? Yes. Is in this? No. And as you can see, now it's correct. The game is going to tell you how much I withdraw. I withdrew $5,000. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.